Hello everyone, this is Chris from NokiaInnovation.com. Today I'm fortunate enough to be able to bring you an unboxing of the Nokia X Dual SIM phone. It's been on the market for a couple of months now. We've just seen the X2 announced, so it'll be interesting to see what I make of the original X. 4-inch WVG IPS display, 1 GHz dual core processor with 3G and WLAN. I have literally just trimmed the seal, and this is the first I've seen of it. It comes in a really nice red colour. We'll have a look at that in a second. Let's just see what other contents the box brings us. It's a European charger. Actually, on the side of the box it says Garanzia Italia, so I'm guessing this was originally meant for the Italian market. A market very big on Windows Phone, by the way. Okay, red headphones, really nice. Pretty bog standard. I prefer the ones like that, which you stick in your ear. And what do we have here? We have a removable battery. I've not had one of these on a phone for some time. 1500 milliamp hours. I don't think the phone's going to do very much without that. So let's see. That screen does have a protective sheet on it. I'm not sure how charged up this is, but we'll give it a go, put it in and fire it up. I really like the colour actually. The familiar Nokia logo. Nice loudspeaker. I imagine it will want me to go through the setup process. Yep. English. One-time location of the device. Continue. Swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to unlock your phone. Okay. Swipe from the top of your control connections or from the bottom to open an options menu. Okay. You'll see, anyone familiar with the Asha phones, the back button. This is a capacitive back button though, rather than the actual physical button on the Asha 501. Swipe from the top to control your connection from there, or from the bottom to open an options menu. Drag down from the start to search. Okay, I think we're there. So down for that menu. Did they say, what did they mean? Up. Okay. And yeah, there's up to search. Obviously I've not even connected to Wi-Fi yet, so I need to do that. I will bring you more on this phone. But for now, this is Chris with my unboxing of the Nokia X. Thanks for watching.